Hello travelers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Male, the capital of Maldives. Let's go to explore it together. We are searching for a food place, what else, in Hulhumale. And as you can see, the water, also the sea, looks beautiful here, and there is happening a lot of constructions and some new buildings here. I don't know if they are hotels or apartments. Until now I like what I see. People seem to be friendly, and yeah, let's go close to the sea. And here, I don't know, it's like a barbecue area for the locals, and I find it really nice. And look at this, look the view, just stunning. Alright, so we are currently in Hulhumale, city very close to Male, to the capital of Maldives. And what I like until now, it's pretty clean, and there are a lot of plants on the buildings, on the streets, and yeah, really nice. Let's continue with our tour. So as you know, I'm a huge food lover and I like to try different things. Now we have some Lebanese in Maldives. Let's check this out. Nice. So the restaurant is called Lazez Lebanese. How much we paid? 336 rupiah for 2 people with water. It was a delicious meal. So this is roughly 17-18 pounds, something like that. I will have to use the calculator to convert it. We enter also in a bakery coffee shop to try the coffee and the cookie. The cookie was insane. You can see my face says it all. Also the coffee very good and quite cheap. Now we do have energy to explore the city. So we are to buy a bus ticket. We're gonna try the public transport here, and we have to go to buy a special card to travel, what I understand. Let's see. Alright, so we have the bus tickets here. We paid for a round trip for 2 people 40 rupiah. This is roughly 2 pounds. So we made it. We took the bus. Very clean. It's a double decker like in London, but way cleaner and smells way nicer. The journey between Hulhumale and Male, it was pleasant and quite fast. It took us around 25 to 30 minutes due to the traffic conditions. Once we got to Male, we started to walk around and to explore this little city. So I would say people are very friendly. There are lots of coffee shops, restaurants. So if you come to Maldives, make sure you don't miss it. Restaurants with some street foods, buffet type. Now look at these parkings for motorbikes. This looks similar with Vietnam. Now, an interesting fact in case you didn't know, Male makes the top 10 as one of the most densely populated cities or urban areas in the world. We arrived here. This is the National Museum of Maldives. We're not gonna go in today. We're just gonna stroll around to see more of this city. So let's see. Alright, so we are in the National Square of Maldives in Male. I'm gonna show you a glimpse of what I'm seeing here. Behind me is the National Mosque, and here is Sheikh Hussein Adam building. I'm gonna show you with the camera. Lots of pigeons here. I don't like them because they are dirty, but the people seems to like them. The Maldivian flag, and there behind it is the mosque. I don't know if you can see the dome, and then the minaret, no, is behind. So this is the National Mosque of Maldives. The dome that I was talking about. Marble on the floor. We're gonna go to see the minaret. Unfortunately, I cannot go inside because I don't have something to cover my legs, and this is a requirement for the non-Muslim people in order to see this mosque. Beautiful. I hope you could have a glimpse of it like we have. Now this is genius. A hand wash station. You press the button, you take the soap, wash your hands, you don't touch nothing. Perfect. This is the, how is called, Misha, the park?
Sultan Park.
The Sultan Park. So here is the ferry terminal for the islands, and this is the public ferry. As I understand, it's very cheap, but takes a while. So when we travel between the islands, we took the speedboat. We came across this building monument. I don't know exactly what it is, but I will find out and I will put it in the description. Very interesting. And I have to admit, I really enjoyed seeing the streets like this. Everyone seemed to be happy. The kids were playing, the adults were doing sort of sports like beach volleyball, football, or even surfing. And as I said before, the people were very kind to us. A very strange thing I did notice, and I'm gonna share it with you in a moment. Now what I notice here, the ratio woman to men, it's, I don't know, there are lots of men and nearly no ladies, or maybe we didn't see them because they I don't know, they had other activities to do, but yeah, mostly men. Let's see, we got the coconut here because I was thirsty.
So Alex has done it again. He's discovered a coconut. How is your cocoa?
Yeah, the cocoa is good.
And it only cost us 25 rupiah.
So we went out for dinner in Hulhumale. Misha is eating the coconut, and this is a fish restaurant. Alright, so the food arrived and looks delicious. I have some chicken here, some rice, some scallops, some fish fingers, sauce. Misha has a
Fishy chicky bang bang.
fishy chicky bam bang. It's something interesting. So let's enjoy. So we had a delicious dinner at the Manhattan Fish Market restaurant. We paid roughly 20 pounds for the dishes that you've seen earlier in the images. And now we are taking a stroll. We are in the central park of Hulhumale. Very, very pleasant temperature outside, about 27-28 degrees, but it's not sticky. I have to repeat that. It's beautiful temperature. And that's about it. I end my staying here in Maldives. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you might consider in the future making a trip to Maldives. The people are lovely, the food is good, and the landscape as well, amazing. Anyways, if you do find some useful information in this video, don't forget, like and subscribe, maybe share with your friends to see what they are missing if they don't travel. Because what we are doing, we travel to discover. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.